In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the touch keyboard on your Windows 11 computer. So perhaps you use a touch screen or want to have a virtual keyboard on your display. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable that, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the menu icon at the top left, and then select personalization. And underneath personalization, you want to go down and select taskbar. Go ahead and left click on that. And then set touch menu to on. The touch menu icon should appear on here. So if you left click on it, the menu should appear. Pretty straightforward process, guys. If you want to close out of it, you can just click the little X. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.